Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to verify Pocket Broker account. Firstly, go to pocketoption.com and log into your account. Navigate to your profile and find the Identity Status section, then choose your country to begin the process. Select a valid document type like passport, national ID card, driver's license, or residence permit. You can use your device camera to scan the document or upload a clear photo manually. Just make sure all details are legible and the full document is visible. Provide a proof of address document like recent utility bill, bank statement or tax or government letter. Just show your full name, clearly display your home address, be issued within the last 3 months, and upload a clear image or scan of the document. Now review your uploads and confirm everything is correct. Click Submit. Verification can take a few hours to a few days. You'll receive an email notification once approved or if more info is needed. Once your account is verified, you can deposit and withdraw funds without limits and use promo codes and bonuses, or you can start real money trading confidently. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.